Are you wondering how to spend one day in Hong Kong? This video is for you. We're checking out of Disney's Explorers Lodge and heading straight into the heart of the city using Hong Kong's super easy metro. Along the way, we're sharing smart tips on where to store your luggage after checkout and which metro ticket gives you the best value for your money, because who wants to overpay on vacation? From the colorful streets of Hollywood Road to the buzzing energy of the ladies' market, we're soaking up culture, food, and that unmistakable Hong Kong vibe. We wrap things up with a well-deserved dinner at the Olympian Mall before heading back to grab our luggage and make our way to the airport. If you're planning a Hong Kong trip or just love fast-paced city adventures, this one's for you. Stick around till the end, hit like and subscribe for more travel fun. Let's go!
That was easy checkout. We came down, there was a lady saying, hello, checkout. We said, yes, checkout. She took our cards and then she gave us 2 new ones, she said, as a souvenir, like the room key. This is so sweet, very, very sweet. From there, we didn't have to wait at all. We just went directly to the luggage storage where we dropped our luggage. And we just missed the bus. Bye-bye bus. Anyway, it's too slow. We dropped our luggage, so they're gonna keep it until we come back, whatever time that is. Pick it up. Very nice. All for free, all for free. It's included, let's put it that way. Pretty good. I like it. Again, same old thing. Ticket vending machines, only cash, my friends. No card. Alipay, no WeChat, only cash. So I guess we have to queue here, and we have some cash left, and then we have to queue here to buy some. So here comes another tip for you. I just figured, instead of buying one-way tickets all the time, there is the day pass. Day pass, 75 Hong Kong dollar. It's valid 24 hours. Can drive as much as you want. There is no limit on all the trains. So Disneyland, Hong Kong, Disneyland, and jump off on the way basically. What you cannot is to the airport. This is not included. So basically, we're gonna get with the State Pass all the way to Sunny Bay. She always makes up stuff.
Sunny Day.
Oh, Sunny Day. Oh, Sunny Day. We're going to Sunny Day. Sunny Bay, where we basically one station from here. And then we change over to the airport train later on. So I guess this is where we have to pay extra, but this is fine, this is fair enough. But now we're gonna go to Hong Kong, we're gonna stop here, we're gonna stop there. So perfect, very good, 75, that's what it costs you. Good advice. Now, 3 minutes, comes the Disney train. Choo choo! Ah, this is actually a festive train. It's even nicer. Decorated windows. Okay, cool. In the Disney train you have this nice little figurine. Oh, there's Donald. Look at Donald. There's Minnie Mouse. And Jiminy Cricket. Oh well. It's a cool train. It's pretty low. And we're out of our Disney train to get to Hong Kong. We have to go up. Up. Up 1 floor, crossing over to take the line into Hong Kong. Here, down, escalators, not a thing. Here is the train to Hong Kong. Pretty easy to navigate, no problem at all. And here is a map for you. Transportation, Hong Kong. Pause moment, 3, 2, 1. Disneyland, this is where we started off on the Disney train, one station to here. Now we're here, and now we are taking the yellow line, the orange, I'm sorry, all the way through. You can go all the way to Hong Kong Central down here. West Kowloon is where we came with a train from China, from mainland, from Shenzhen. So when you arrive here, a little tip, you came to Shenzhen, just had a little walk, it's indoors, took the line to the orange line, and then basically here, change at Sunny Bay, Disneyland Resort, and then to the bus and to your hotel. Genius. So we decided to get off at Liking because we are liking that. Sorry, I had to crack that joke. Stupid. That's how I am. Anyway, we're changing over to the red line here, where I don't know just yet, but we will. Ah, there it is. Aha! Red line number 1 to Central. Up right here, actually. Here. And there is the train. Oh, I don't think it's gonna be seats available, but yeah, we just jump into it. Alright, the red line, Liking. We're thinking to take it all the way down to Tsim Sha Tsui. We're getting out, right? Yeah, this one. Tsim Sha Tsui. Alright, we just got off at this station. Right, so apparently when you want to get out, you need to insert a ticket here, and it comes out up there. Alright, remember to take it because it's a multi-use ticket. So here we are at Tsim Sha Tsui, and apparently our tour guide fee. So we have to get out at E. We have the Avenue of Stars. Perfect, this is where we're going. Let's have a look. And again, the ticket machines that only accept cash. I can't believe that. There we get to the exit E, which is the peninsula. Did you guys notice that the escalators is not a thing here? God, you really have to walk. Here we are. Welcome to Hong Kong, my friends. Downtown. First time for me, by the way. Happy we made it. Just gonna have a peek around. No idea where we're going. Gonna pull out my maps very soon. Something I would like to highlight. We have almost no electric cars here. It's all gasoline. Good old gasoline and diesel stuff going here. So here we have a crossing. We could actually still do that. Should we try? I mean, it's green. We try. Oh, Jesus. Cars come from the wrong side here as well. Wow. Very noisy. We can compare now, remember? Yeah. Here's one of the attractions to visit, the Avenue of Stars. I said, let's have a look while we're here. It's one of the must-see things, isn't it? So I'm gonna see if I find some of my, I wouldn't say idols, but actors I know. Now we can actually have a look at the skyline here. Right, I think from here we can try to swing around the whole thing. See how this is gonna go. This is impossible to catch everything because it's just too big. But you see it goes round and round and there, yeah, and so on. Now trying to get the last of the bay view. And then we might head into somewhere because rain is starting to kick in now. So now if you see the queues here for one little statue, I'm gonna tell you it's a very important statue. That is Bruce Lee. Oh, yeah, perfect. Got it. Here is your pose moment, my friends, in 3, 2, 1. Bruce Lee. Luckily, we found ourselves a Luckin coffee, which we really enjoy. But you can only pay online, which is fair enough. You have to download the app. Okay. Problem is, this app is only in Chinese, or Cantonese, or whatever. This is the first problem. The next problem is the payment. Our WeChat doesn't work here. Our Alipay doesn't work here. You have to do the Hong Kong stuff. They have their own. Luckily, we had help of a very nice young gentleman here. So he fixed the app and he put his phone number at the end because you need to have a phone number from here and you know. But yeah, hours later, we might get a coffee. In Shenzhen, we got it delivered by drone. Just saying. We got our coconut latte. Warm. I haven't tried yet, so soon I'm gonna tell you. Okay. The one in Shenzhen, or in Chengdu, or in Chongqing, by far better. Sorry. If you wonder what we're up to, we went in this K11 because it started raining. Shopping mall. It's like those super branded, I don't know what, but look what we found. Legoland. I think we should check it out. What do you think? It's also direct access to the subway from here, so we don't have to get out and get wet, which is nice. That is pretty cool. get even VR Lego here. How cool is that? I think I don't have any more space in my suitcase, so they're kind of packed. Down here is not only Lego, there's also the play park. There is Toys R Us. There is Kaho. Model trains. The Donut Playhouse. This is what it is. With slides going and all kind of things. Cool is that? Huh? Fee just found herself? What is that? That's you?
No, but
Okay. So all the stuff we find down here. Sophia. Is that slime? Slime it? I guess it's slime. Yes, let's have a look. And here we have Glow It by Slime It. Guess what this does? Glow? It looks pretty cool though. Victoria Play Park. You can drop the kids here. It's not too crowded, if you ask me. Cool idea. Oh my, donuts. And here, this must be the coolest kids hairdresser I have seen so far. There's a little ice cream cubes and a robot. Oh wow, that is cool. This is a photo booth. You can choose your outfit, you can put ears on and whatnot. Make it look old, new or fresh or whatever it is. Wow. So I'm putting my girls in the VR experience from Lego. The racer. That's cool. So, tell me. Was fun? How was it?
it was very fun.
It was very fun. All right, good. Well, I have no idea because it's 2 seats. This is your metro shopping on the ground. It's the red line we need now. Goodness, look at that. Walk on the left side. Cool. Just some funny details. Shows you how many vacant and the air quality, both in the man and in the woman's toilet as well. 3 vacant. Air quality good. Let's go. Here you walk on the left. Mongkok station. We're gonna try to find the ladies' market. Here is the exit. This is where we're going. Up the working escalator. Tung Choi Street, the ladies' market. This is what we're going. Exit D. Exit D is right here. See if you find it. Here we have the numbering. It's actually pretty well done. I have to say, very good organized. D3, so you know which exit you take. Because the exits here can really lead you minutes and minutes underground until you get out somewhere. So it really makes sense to check where you want to go before you go. Make sure you get the right exit. And we're stepping out of the metro station. The rain is kind of on and off. Thick drops here and there, but not really started yet. Ooh, LED lights. Don't look at it. Well, let's see what we can find here, what we can discover. Kind of excited. Never been here. Okay, here we have the ladies' market. It's where you get all the branded, non-branded, cheap stuff. You can bargain here, apparently. A lot. Oh my goodness, this is so cool, the stuff here. Look. Sweet. Very cute. Right, my girls are in the element. They're buying stuff. Shopping. And she's bargaining as she's supposed to be. Got some magnets from 29 down to 18. I guess we still overpaid, but who cares, right? It's the fun. Here we get everything. Get your accessories. More toys. And here we have bags. Actually. Might have a quick look here for a nice backpack, perhaps. These markets here are really, really cool. That is fun going through here. Okay, can you get your McDonald's and Starbucks and Pizza Hut backpack? Oh, Princess Corner with LEDs. This is just like you know it from the movies, isn't it? All the signs bustling and lots of people. Find those back alleys which are kind of pretty cool looking as well. And you get fruit juice. So according to my little brain, this should be the one. Yes, we are liking going to Olympic. Oh, there it is. That was quick. Olympian City. This is where we stopped. So we're looking to find a mall here. We have no clue, honestly, but we're gonna try anyway. And I guess this is the mall. Now you could ask, why did we choose this mall? I tell you, because this is right in the train station. So even though it rains, no problem, we don't have to get out. We are not gonna get wet. So let's see what we find here. Now we're wondering what's going on with all the cameras down there. Look at all the professional equipment. Maybe they came for us. I mean, who knows, right? They knew we were coming. So we are hungry. We found ourselves a little restaurant. But I'm telling you, Hong Kong is something else. So here it says cover charge $16 per person, appetizer $22 per dish, and 10% service charge will be added to the bill. Wow, so every dish here is over 100 already, so 120, 130, 40 Hong Kong dollar, plus this. I'm gonna be, I'm not looking forward to the final bill here, but I'm telling you one thing, this place is expensive. As we were speaking about it, I just got the bill already. Here we have crispy duck fried, half, 2 noodles, 1 beer, 2 water. 459. 459. You know, later on it's gonna come here or there. But yeah, should have eaten at Disney. So we were thinking it was difficult to order, but that's actually really on us being stupid. There is a scan here. They come with it to the table. They put this for you here. You scan it. It actually really works. Not only that, you also get it in English. Just click on English up there in the corner and everything is in English with the prices and everything, and then you just order after your liking and put it on the table. Absolutely no problem. Unless you're a bit backwards like me. So it's not their fault, it's our fault. It's okay. Anyway, let's enjoy. The noodles have arrived and I tried already. I couldn't wait as usual. And I tell you one thing, they are really, really delicious. It's like those hand-cut noodles we had in China. Really nice. And Sophia ordered the crispy almond. Oh wow, this looks yummy. We're done. You see the rest, the leftovers, the head. We figured this is the head actually. It's still there. We're not gonna eat that. And yeah, the boom boom, as my wife nicely describes it. Other than that, we're good. Good to go. Now I think we're gonna pay. I would say we pay, and then we make our way back to Disney. Take our metro thing where we have a day pass today. It was a good investment, by the way. Get changed, grab our luggage, and make our way to the airport. Yes, that's the plan.